Hi everyone! Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Ayesha Loves Makeup. Today I'm super excited. I'm going to be filming the Ice Cream Beauty Box for the month of January. If you guys want to know what I got in my box, then keep on watching. Alrighty guys, so I'm super excited. I love opening up makeup subscription boxes that actually have makeup in it. Ooh, what a funk. So this has been one of my favorite boxes to unbox on the channel lately because the other makeup subscription boxes, I ain't gonna say no names. If you watch my other videos then you know, lately they've become very skincare heavy and a lot of YouTubers are all saying the same feedback, which is they wish they went back to what people fell in love with their boxes for, which was trying out new eyeshadow palettes, getting excited about getting a new palette, trying out new makeup. Like, people love skincare, yes, but it's like makeup is very exciting, it's fun. So I'm happy that so far this box is majority makeup. I hope it stays like that. A lot of my people who subscribe to my channel told me that I should subscribe to it, so I did, so you guys can see what they give every single month. So without further ado, let's see what they gave me for this month. So when you open her up, this is what the box looks like. There's little squigglies on the top. I love the new box that they designed for the actual box. The old boxes look like kind of like white marbleized. This is a little bit more funner. Is that a word? More funner? So they remind me kind of like Ipsy when it comes to the prices, because they have the box that's $25 and then they have like the bag that's $12, and Ipsy has like the same similar prices, and Ipsy's also an indie subscription box as well. So let's see here. I got this big box here, so I'm curious to see what this is. So I'm going to open up the big box first. But you also get a little card here. It tells you just the name of what you got and the price. It doesn't like go into detail like some cards, but that's fine. This is good enough. I just care about like the prices, so this is perfect for me. So it says I got a Mermaid Glam eyeshadow set. I love how pretty this lady's eyes looks. And then in the back, I guess I can create other looks as well. So let's see here. Oh, so they're like pigments, almost. Pigments and glitter. It looks like they give you the brush that you're supposed to use to apply the product. And we got the 3 little glitters, which is nice. So that's kind of cool. I definitely can't wait to try these out. Okay, and what was the name of this? Bella Pierre Cosmetics. Okay. The next thing I got is a Earth Harbor Celestian Hydrating Plumping Peptide Serum. I believe I got this already as well. Oh, this is kind of cool. It's like very cloudy, like a blue cloudish color. So I have a lot of these serums from Ipsy. I feel like a lot of stuff that you get in Ipsy, you get in this subscription box. But I guess, you know, Ipsy is an indie subscription box. This is an indie subscription box, so that's why you get kind of similar things. But I definitely have a lot of these serums, but I don't have this one in particular. So I'll add this to my serum collection. Now, the Bella Pierre Mermaid Slay Kit was $45. This was $45. And like I said, this was only $25 to pay for, so you definitely got past what you paid for in the box already. The next thing I see here is a eyeshadow palette by City Limits. It looks like it's all neutrals. Oh, I'm sorry, it's by IBY Beauty. This is what the palette looks like when you open it up. So it's like purples, pinks, burgundies, like a nice mixture of colors. There is a mirror on the opposite side as well, so I'm loving like the purple futuristic chromey look to the palette here. The next thing I got is a, what is this? Soul Susan. That's a brand, I'm guessing. It says Skincare Color Performance. What is this? It looks like it's highlighting crayon. This is what it looks like on my skin tone, which is probably not going to work for my skin tone unless I put it very light. But that's what I got, a highlighting stick. Oh, the brand is called Statement Skin, I'm guessing. Okay. And then the last thing I got, it's from Crown Brushes. I didn't know that they had I know they have brushes, hence the name Crown Brushes, but I guess they have makeup too. So I got like a burgundy. Is this a liquid lip? Mattifying lip stain, yes. So that's nice. I definitely would use this. This is the first time I've gotten skincare in the actual box, but nevertheless, I mean, there was actually, I was gonna say there's nothing that excites me, but these I'm excited to try out. So I'm very excited to try this out, and I love getting like red lip colors for the winter time. So how much was that? The Soul Susan highlighting crayon was $20, and the Crown Pro lipstick in Midnight Kiss was $6. So that was everything I got in my box. What did you guys think? Are any of you guys subscribed to this box? Let me know what you thought about this box in the comments down below. Next box I'm going to be unboxing is my Look Fantastic beauty box that I was gifted in PR, so stay tuned for this box next. If you haven't already, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel and become a part of my YouTube family. And I'll see you guys all in my next video.